Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing video of Umidigi A7 Pro. So this is a good packaging. By the way, Umidigi is a brand of mobile phones which range from like $80 to $250, $300 to the max. And now we are opening Umidigi A7 Pro. If I go through the specs, it is like a 6.3 Full HD plus screen with a MediaTek chipset and a 4 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage for the particular model which I am revealing. So let's open that. And by the way, the packaging was really good. Um, so we expect, as usual, a thank you note from the manufacturer. The phone itself, it's very massive. Um, all the specs have been given, and the case comes along with the phone. So they've already put on the case to the phone, and this is a nice back. It's not glossy, it's not matte. It's kind of a glass, but it's very heavy, by the way, as it is like housing around 4150 milliamp hours of battery, and there is a not a water drop notch, but it's a good minimized bezels around the phone. And now let's go to the contents of the box. There is a manual and the SIM opener tool with it. In the meantime, the phone boots for the first time, and we get all the regular instructions manual. The charger brick, it's just a 5-watt charger brick, which is the most we can expect in a $180 smartphone, and USB-C type, USB-A to USB-C type cable. So by the way, the mobile feels very good. I have like a very good sense of holding a good phone. Let me remove the back and show you how glossy it is. It got a 4-camera quad camera setup with ultra wide, macro, um, and all the 4 cameras. The body is good, and yeah, I look forward to use it and provide a good review about it. So I've been using this phone from a week for now. I've installed all the apps which I usually use. The only thing I observed is that as is a mid-range processor, it's a little bit slow when I'm power using it, but as far as the regular calls and WhatsApp messages, it's all good. So in my 1 week of usage, I have observed that high content apps like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram lags a little bit, as this is a MediaTek Helio mid-range processor P23. Um, it's it, it's quite often expected that for this kind of processor, we can expect this kind of performance. But overall, I appreciate the build quality and the battery backup. So this has a quad camera setup. Um, Out of all the 4 cameras, I've liked the macro lens, which was really cool. So if you want to get an idea, so if I go, yeah, this is what macro can do, and it got an ultra wide, uh, which is kind of good. This is what I see. I'm gonna put some pictures, by the way, and video quality is also okay, not bad. Overall, I like the phone mostly for the battery and the display it got, and the processing speed as well, except some lags in applications. This is a ultra wide shot, a regular camera, and a macro of a MacBook Pro speakers. So this is a testing sample video from Umidigi A7 Pro. The audio is also being recorded on the video camera itself of the phone. Thank you everyone. I hope you like the videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.